Good morning, good morning. Good morning, traders. It's like a little bit of a market meltdown. Can't say I'm surprised. Bit of a struggle getting started this morning or this evening. Trying to get the I had to change. I switched over to Quant Tower, so I have Quant Tower set up now, but I had to change the chat apps because the other one doesn't work with the VPN and I have to use a VPN. So we're set up with Quant Tower. Give her a spin today. Give her a spin. Pretty big breakdown on Bitcoin. We hit our profit target at 50K. So that was the big profit target. About 60% of the position of our shorts are sold now. We're gonna save another big profit target for around 45K. Probably look to re-add to shorts. What's going on, Powerhouse? Thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you. But yeah, shorts are just like printing, man. They're printing hard. We have one short on Bitcoin and then another short on TON. All our longs got stopped out now at this point, so we have no more longs. We do still have spot Bitcoin, but you know, not really surprised about this, guys. You know, we did put out notifications when the price was at 69,500. You know, it's in the Discord. You guys can check it out. So we did have notifications out there. Really big dips though, man. I'm seeing like on the top 25 coins, they're like 25% down. A lot, 20%, 19%. A lot are down a lot. Give you guys a peek at the new software here. This is Quant Tower. So this will be good for like, you know, trading the futures, but this won't be good for like looking up charts and scanning charts. So I'll still have to use TradingView. I'll just bring it up when I need it. I'll just be bringing it up like that when I need it. And like I'll have to use it to look at the Dixie. So keep it on the Dixie. Dixie had a gain here of the 15 right at the end of the weekly. Dixie kind of looks okay. Might be looking at taking a short here and yeah, this kind of looks okay to short too. Not yet, but almost. See what happens here. Maybe one more push up and then short. Not yet. Not quite yet. Hasn't failed yet here, but Dixie gained. Dixie gained right here. And this is at a big weekly level, right, to hold. We're basically right at it. So could go a little bit lower, but we'll see. I'm gonna wait until there's a more significant gain. Look at these numbers on crypto, man. Holy shit. Everything's down 15 to 25%. Wow. What a wreck job. What a wreck job, man. I hope you guys are okay in this, you know, disaster. I hope you guys take some shorts, like we did say take some shorts, right? We had it out in the Discord. Right here. BTC short. I was at 69, man. 69,400. We put that notification out. So yeah, hopefully some of you guys took it. We're just killing it on the stream account. We're going to be putting out a make sure this is all good, right? I'm not used to this software yet. It looks okay. Pretty cool software. I'll have to dick around with the we're going to be putting out a series on the Trader Sync, but you know, our first week and a half of trading on the small account, we're at a 68% win rate, a cumulative return of 181%. Average daily P&L is $140. Not bad for like small account. I started this account with like $700, right? Around $500 or $700. So not too bad. It's up to just under $2,000. So that's pretty good. I'd like to get into some longs. That's the other problem with this is like these charts don't go back far enough, right? You can't see what's going on. The interface is a lot better for trading, but the charting is like, especially for futures, like it doesn't go back far enough. Like I have to look on this now. I have to. What's going on, Jay? Yeah, it's the problem is the contract, I think, no? It is changed to a year. Depth of history, 1 year. The problem is these contracts just started, right? Like a month ago. Is there a way to get the you know, the aggregated data on here where you have everything? For like the rolling contracts? Because all futures contracts just switched, right? Like a month ago. So these will only go for like a little bit, right? Yeah, look, I'm not even having that issue on NQ. It's just ES. Why? 1 year I put. 1 year. Let's just put 3 months. Yeah, look, it just ends. I don't know why. Just ES. But this is the contract that I use, right? MES. So, which one is it? September, right? This is the one. Like this is the contract that I trade normally on TradingView. not this. It's not options. MES, yeah. Yeah, I know. It's this. There's a ticker? I don't see a ticker. I don't know, dude. Did this one do it too, or is it just ES that's doing this? Yeah, like, I don't know, this one's doing it too. Look. I don't know, dude. But NQ not. NQ's fine. You know? I don't know, dude. Really? I'm tired already today from fucking trying to solve problems, man. You know? This is actually on a 4 minute. So this is not. I thought this was on a 4 hour. Yeah, NQs get the same problem too. They all got the same problem. Well, it must be something. I really thought it was just because of the contract, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know the software at all yet, right? Think what trader wouldn't want all the fucking data, you know what I mean? It's so stupid, man. Why is it even an option to not have the data? It should just have the data. Yeah, that's awesome, Jay. Fucking A. I had a short in that spot, man. Probably we were trying to short this. This stopped us out, I believe, because I was trying to short anywhere here, right? This held. Then they were having problems. Then when they lost the 4, I was really trying to get short a lot. This screwed us right here. This right here. Also, look at this, man. Like, what happened to the crosshairs here? You know, crosshairs just left. You know, this one has crosshairs. This one has crosshairs. Just this one, no. A lot of problems here with the quant tower right out of the gate. Not really liking it so far. But yeah, this wick screwed us. We got short in this range and that wick screwed us. I believe this wick screwed us too. We did get a nice short on NQ and rode it out for a bit, but we sold it way too early. But we do have shorts on Bitcoin. We're still riding those. We hit the big profit target here though. Four hour, yes. Yeah, we hit the big profit target here at 50K. So that was one of the big profit targets. So we have about 45% of the position left, maybe 40%. We're short from 69.5 we're short from in here. We're also short TON too. We've dumped so much, man. We could have a little bit of a push now, I think, especially after taking liquidity here, right? Took all the liquidity out from under here. We've been talking about that for weeks. So watching this for a push back up. Need to see something proper gain, right? Yeah, I don't know about just taking stabs at it here. We start getting back above here, above 52 too. Maybe start taking a couple pot shots at it. Defense contracts, eh? I don't know nothing about it. I just look at the charts. Looking to take a short on euro is what I'm going to be doing. Short on euro, long on NQ, and long on ES if we can find a decent spot to get in. Made some pretty good money on ES last day. Last day we had August 2nd. We made $400 and then $200 on different trades. Not bad. Not bad for this tiny account, man. Like this account started with $500 2 weeks ago. Not even. Really killing it on this thing. 68% win rate. Let's go. Should have even been higher. I got screwed once because of TradingView. Looks like new lows coming in for ES. Should look at the any data coming in today. Some 10 o'clock. And like, look, now the crosshair is back on this. Yeah, is this how we roll with the quant tower? Brutal, man. I didn't do anything different, nothing at all. I just moved this back, and all of a sudden the crosshairs are back. Let's try to mark this out a bit. I'm gonna be fumbling around with this software, I'm sure, for a little bit. Kind of want to see a gain up here. Oh God. Okay, man. I do like the looks of this thing, man, but you know, I just need the rest of the data in, man. What the hell is going on? I need to see the whole chart. Can't be like looking at a different program for the rest of the chart. Especially right now. It's like I have to open this and see what's going on, right? I use amped. You're using rhythmic? I just use amp. I don't know. Yeah, it's probably the broker, I'm sure. But that's pretty stupid. Like I can't even use the, I can't even see, you know what I mean? Like you don't even know where you're going. You know? Great. We took the liquidity I didn't even know. You know what I mean? It's so stupid. This area is pretty tested. Yeah, you know, bit worrisome, really. Where are we going, man? Where are we gonna go in this, you know? Oh, great. What was that? I just, you know, for trading view, it's, you know, it's fine for looking at things, but as soon as you start doing execution, it's the worst. It screwed up last time, and it cost me like $400. It's the worst. But for looking, yeah, it's fine. Like for like scanning charts or like looking up different tickers, because the data is so cheap on it. And then you can like I'll probably still have it. I'm just not gonna have like the super turbo plan that I have right now. But yeah, I can't day trade on it anymore. It's impossible. It's just too much of a nightmare to like enter in an order, you know? Yeah, I've had that before happen to me too, bro. I came back and I'm like, what do you mean? I had a contract in there still? What are you talking about? You know? At least on I think on Quant Tower you can just flatten all positions, yeah? Yeah, flatten. So you just come here and click flatten and then you're good, you know? I was trading the last day. I was just trading the 1 minute. It was pretty intense, but it was dropping so hard that the range was so huge. There was no other choice except for to trade the 1 minute. Can go over a few trades that we did. Down here, this right here. So yeah, it came down. Isn't there a drawing tool on here, man? Can I just have a paintbrush? Any paintbrushes around? No? Square it is, I guess. It's coming down. Didn't really get involved on this first bounce. Swept. Gained here. Came back, retested. So I got involved there and I had stopped just underneath here. And look, the crosshairs are gone. Really? You know, all people want is a decent piece of trading software, man. Is it so hard to ask for? I want one piece of trading software that I can connect all my charts to and see everything and it works fine. You know, is that really so much to ask? Yeah, now the crosshairs are back. I don't know about this thing, man. Even that, I can deal with that. That's all well and good. I just don't like the... Oh, fancy. So if I wanted to get in here and target there, I'd just do that and then pull this down. Oh yeah. I see. Like this range is just fucking massive. You have to be on the 1 minute. The range is too big. It's the only your only option here is to play the 1 minute. We'll see. Even the 1 minute is I can't take this, man. Look, I just want to see where's my crosshairs, you know? Really, man? What kind of software is this, dude? If I start having problems with order entry, it's just going to be right back to TradingView. What is this? Around how much? And now I'm talking about around numbers. See if this fails or not. You know, like where's the line, dude? I can't trade like this, man. You know? I just want the line. Just fuck. Don't show again. Yes, close it all, you know? Fucking stupid, man. Cool. This definitely seems sketch for sure. Okay. Cool. I was gonna take a trade here, but I guess not, yeah. And then we got these guys just intruding on the stream. You know? Can I ban you from here? Add to block list. Perfect. I still think it's going a bit lower there, guys. Really? We're taking longs down here. Really, that could have already got like 10 points though, basically. No, not quite. So data coming up at 10:30, 10 o'clock today. No, it's not. Where the top left? Oh yeah, it totally is. New version. I just updated it yesterday. Yeah, I will check it out. Thanks for bringing that up, Jay. Appreciate it. Get a little liquidity grab here. Let's see if they can pump it. Maybe. Really, I think this is headed a little bit lower. Let's just look at the 4-hour on fucking ES here. Where are we headed here, boys? Where are we headed? We are in a gap right now. It's just kind of a spot. It's kind of not really tested here, you know? The top is. I don't think the bottom is though. Doesn't look like it. Not really anyway. This little guy here. But not good. I think enough for a pump. I think enough for a pump, guys. This thing. But like, the ranges are huge, man. Like, look at the range. I think a little bit lower, but we're definitely in the zone. It's just because the range is so huge. We need to be taking trades on the 1 minute. Bit rough. More dumpster, guys. More dumpster fire. New lows coming. $51.48. I don't know, man. Like, I think this first gap could play. This is pretty significant. This is the daily move that made this swing, right? It's the bottom of it. But, you know, this is also a zone for sure. It's not like this isn't a zone. You're looking at this here? This swing? I think this is the weekly here. Top of the weekly. This is pretty significant too over here, but it's tested. That the level that I marked out is the body basically of the weekly candle that made this low. This is tested though. On the way up, they tested it here, but an outside test still plays on this stuff sometimes, right? Okay, the daily. It's not like I put a line there. It's not like I'll be taking just trades on that line. It's just like the first spot where I think that it might be going to, you know. I always wait for confirmation at this point. I don't just be taking trades. This is pretty untested though. Yeah, you're right. I wouldn't mind trying to get into something. Yeah, you know, this is kind of untested. This level here, they did test it a little bit here, but you know. This could still play. I think it'll play for at least a bounce. Cool. It's so stupid. I'm just gonna come over here just for entries then. I'm still gonna use this. You know what I mean? I might as well just use this. It's better. It's better for watching. I'd like to get into a Dixie play too. Really, like these guys are at the spot, man. Really need to hold it, yeah. Interesting. Interesting. This I'm gonna just put over to the 1 minute. You're gonna gain? Is this something I could play with? 190 to Bitcoin just dumpster fired, eh? Sheesh. Next major level down for Bitcoin is like honestly, I think it's like 40, 45 around, something like that. Probably see a bounce before then. Try to fucking reshort this shit. Another push up here for euro. Did you lose anything yet? Bit. Right at it for Dixie. Maybe a sweep first. Yeah, Jay. I'll probably be here. I'm gonna trade today. Probably be here a while. Have fun in your errands. See you soon. Holy shit, there's gonna be a big dump in the market today. Later, bro. Some stocks aren't too bad. Everything down though. The Trump stock's up. It was up yesterday. It's down now. Fuck. Portfolio's hurting today. Fucking hurting today. Should just update this right now. All right, boys. Dixie's basically at the spot to hold. Would like to see them do something, man. Here. Would be cool if they did. They've already had one gain here. You know, they came down, had one gain. Created a value gap too, so like, you know, that played. Sweeped it out again. If we see a sweep up like this and then come back down, this is going to be a very good buying opportunity. They come down here, pump it back up and test this. That's going to be okay too, I think. Bitcoin more down coming. And Q, just destruction, man. Trying to hold this. This is already tested, not very good. I don't know, I don't like any of that really, man. Sheesh. Whew, what a dump. What a dumpster fire, man. Imagine we still had some shorts. Holy shit. If we had some of those shorts in the futures that we were taking earlier last week, holy fuck. More dumping coming. What a furious. This is just, it's just, you know, home wrecking people right now. It's pretty significant here. Jay was right. But I need to watch. I'm going to watch it right now. I'm going to get on the 1 minute over on Tower. Is this thing ready? Let's update it now. Yes, update it. Just update it. I'd rather update it and not have any problems. Just more down, boys. Jesus. But what about everybody's pension funds? No. Wow. What a furious drop, man. Unbelievable. These guys are not letting off the selling gas, man. So can I load up Quant Tower now again or what? Just furious, man. Jesus. Where did they stop? Where did they stop, man? You know. Jesus, like just a 20-point bounce, you know? Toward 15-point bounce. Jesus Christ, man. Wow. Wild, man. It's just wild. Okay, man. Are you gonna connect or what's going on here, bro? Cool, dude. Try to get in for one right here. Yeah, at least it's something, right? Nah. Just wanted to get a trade in fucking Quant Tower to try it out. The execution is way better here, man, for sure. I wish it just had all the chart data. I think a bit more down, boys. A bit more down. Let's go over and look back on yeah, because the NQ looks like shit too, right? So does Russell. How wide is this, you know? The ranges are so fucking wide, it's ridiculous. What do you do? What do you do when you live in a shoe like that, man? I don't like this. Not easy market conditions right now. This looks like total ass, you know? New lows again here on ES. Could have a little gain here. Gonna get in here. Pretty easy swing to gain. Or just get stopped out for 20 bucks. Really not the best trading I'm doing today. That's for sure. Get one more in here. Stop that. That sucks. Got stopped out and then went to where I wanted. Probably a bit more down, I think, in this range though. They're trying to hold it. Nope, more down. Fucking markets are moving though, man. Holy shit. It looks like they're gaining the one here. Jesus. Try a little try here, man. You're gonna flatten this. Got one little trade anyway. $53 on the day. Should be backing out here into the 15. Have a look here. Still a ways to go. A little ways. the range is just, it's so huge that it's kind of hard to trade. Little liquidity here. Should have left my targets. It would have been hit. Should have a quick look at the this guy's blasting. Not time yet. Did Dixie, what did Dixie do? Oh, Dixie lost the level. Wow. Decent swing here for them to gain. So if they do a move like this, this is going to be super good because it has this swing now and this weekly. So keep an eye out for that. This swing is going to play hard if they do gain it. Well, big move on big buyback. So the bottom of that played. See if they hold the top of this. Could maybe get another trade in here. 51. It's kind of rough, man. 10 point. It's a 10 point stop just from there to there. It's unbelievable. I can't take trades like that. That's crazy. I like how this has a flatten button though. So you can just make sure you're out of all your fucking positions. That's nice. I do like this piece of software, but it's a little rough, man. When you don't have, you can't look at all the charts, you know? Like I can only look at stuff that's on Bybit and that's on Amped. Here's a little bit of a retest here. Yeah, it's just like the stop is just way too huge, you know, to do anything. Yeah, you kind of wanted to see them hold right here. This is it. I'll just take one, man. I'll take one more if it gets a little closer. Nah. Trading this 1 minute is a bit rough. I really should have had my stop there, man. Like, honestly, what am I doing? Really, that was a mistake on my part. I should have had my stop here. Trying to hold. Trying to. Really, I shouldn't even be playing this, you know? I get impatient with trading sometimes. One more try at this level. Just one contract. Just 2 contracts. Not looking good. Let's take 2. See if we can have a little gain. Just go, just pump it. My mosquito? What did you order? For me too? Okay. Good enough. This looks pretty weak, boys. Might flatten this shit again. I think I'm going to. Just a bit brutal playing these stupid 1 minute charts. Quite the move. Quite the move. Look at this range, just like wow. On the 1 minute, just like boom, 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 boom. 10-point range. Might be time to short this guy too. This guy hit a 1 minute gain. Gonna wait for a 15 though. Just get back to proper trading here instead of just playing this 1 minute bullshit, man. So, yes, held where they needed to, right? Fuck, I should just be in this trade and really not trading the best here. Should have picked this accumulation out too, honestly. You know, when it bounces up and down like that in a 10-point range over and over and over again, that's usually a pretty good sign it's accumulating. I want to see it hold above this now. This at the lowest. When you're trading a 1 minute chart, can't really have that deep of profit targets. Or the only reason I'm on the 1 minute chart here like this is because it's the ranges are so huge, right? 1 minute chart this is normally what a 15-minute chart looks like. Really not trading well today though, honestly. They had a gain here. This, so I should have played this retest. I should have had my my stop in a proper spot here, and I should have targeted here. Sweep of this and that, and then the trade should have been over for this range. It's okay. Dude, I updated this already. It's alright. I'm only down 40 bucks, so it's not a huge deal. But really, I should be up 100 or 2. New software too, you know. All right, boys. Looks like ES is pumping a bit here. Let's see if they can try to gain something half decent instead of just a 1 minute. I should be in a trade, really. I traded like shit today. This was like, you know, this doesn't get much more basic than this, you know. Came down, gained the 1 minute here, retested, blasted. I did get in a little bit in this one, but I closed the trade early and I didn't take PTs here. I should have had PTs here. Came back down, took the liquidity out from underneath, blasted again. I was even in positions here and I just shut them down. Maybe it's the new trading software. I'm not used to it yet. That's what I'm going to blame it on anyway. So this is the 15-minute swing I have marked out here. We'll see what they do there. This could go lower still. Remember, we're looking at the 1 minute chart here on the ES. Hey, it's a 17-point stop, man. That's crazy. So they played this 1 minute swing liquidity gap here. Should have took a trade. I almost did. You know, hesitant today. See if they hold this. Kind of want to see them hold this, right? I want to see them hold that range for continuation. Quite the dumpster fire, really. So euro dumping a bit. This is the you know, this is the weekly. They see if they hold this, and I really like to see them get above it and then use it as like a springboard. They kind of look like they want to, but they could easily fail this too, right? So it's kind of tricky, this area. Like they could just fail this zone right here and right now, and just more down, right? Next liquidity point is here on Dixie, underneath there. In the kitchen still. We got market open in 15 minutes. Let's see what happens. Probably just gonna stay flat here for a little bit. See what goes on. To see if they gain this area here. Probably push it up a little bit more. This was a pretty valid short on the 1 minute here, right? Like this area, this swing wasn't really tested. I should have played it. Stupid. Hesitant today. It's like they're trying to dump it here again, man. Kind of want to see them hold this area if they want to continue, right? Not a bad hold. I'm going to be flat until after the open. And then we shall see. Bitcoin didn't gain shit. Came up, failed the 15 again. More down for them. You know, we brought this all to your guys' attention, right? Like we put out notifications. We said that the next big level down is around 45. A little worried about the open. I think we're going to see some crazy action at the open. So I'd rather just wait. Bitcoin trying to put in a higher low here. I'm not too convinced on that. I'm not too convinced on this ES hold either. It's like struggling already. Nine minutes till the open. Gotta get those sounds out of here, man. Default alert. Yeah, don't need that. Update available. Don't need that too. I updated this thing 3 times already. Looks like some selling coming in. Uh-oh. Let's get a short in here, man. Kind of a wide stop, but what are you gonna do? Wish I would have got more than one contract. I'm gonna flatten this here. Just scalping today, basically, boys. That is stupid. Stupid scalping. Market open 3 minutes. This is kind of the area here now. Yeah, this is stupid doing scalping on the 1 minute, man, really. It's really not the way I normally trade. More down. Market open 2 minutes. See what they do here. I'm kind of curious if they're going to hold this range or not. Cannot get into trades now, that's for sure, because market open could just go wild. Probably just not take any more trades today, really, man, because I don't know, man. I don't like playing this range like this 1 minute range and stops. The closest stop is like 20 points. It's too much for me. I think more down coming. Yeah, 25 seconds. All right, here's the open. Big dump on the open. In liquidity spot now. Let's see if they hold it. Pretty nice bounce off liquidity. They're trying. Doesn't look very good though. Honestly, I think this is I think we're bound for new lows again. Should have held that short, eh, boys? Jesus, my stock portfolio is not looking the greatest, boys. Not looking the greatest. My long-term stock portfolio. Oh God. Better just to not look today. You know, they make it real hard to get into a trade, man, with the stops being so wide. It's probably honestly safer I don't trade today, you know. The trade in this whole range is kind of over already. If we're playing the 1 minute, they came down, they gained, retests, hit profit targets, came down, did another retest and hit profit targets. You know, on the third time, I don't like taking it, so I would just, on this, I'm just gonna either, because this zone's tested already, they tested it here, so, you know, after they do a gain, a retest, it's kind of it for trading for that range, you know. Trade the next range. So the next range is going to be 15-minute for me. So the 15-minute gain is not for a while, right? Up here. And like this stuff could fail pretty easily, man. So, you know, maybe a move up here to new highs here. Test this. Maybe. You know, they are kind of holding where they need to. It's just I don't really like playing the 1 minute chart, man. I'll be right back, boys. What's up, Mang? Sorry about the muted mic. Yeah, the reason I took a short there, I'm playing the 1 minute chart and also it's brutal because the ranges are so fucking wide, but it's like the price action's still pretty good. I can go through my trading here today. I did a couple fuck ups. Came down, gained the 1 minute. Took this on the retest, took a PT, and then closed it off way too early. Came back down, I did a re-add, but then I put my stop in the liquidation zone, not underneath here. Stupid mistake. So stopped out. Re-entered the position again. Took profits here way too early. And then I just shorted this here. I shorted this on the retest of this level here. This little swing. When it dumped it, came back up, retested, shorted, and just smashed out when it got down here for 50 bucks. With the MS? What's the MS? What do you mean? So the account's basically break even today. 12 bucks. I should have stayed in bed. You know what I mean? Stupid. Oh, with the ping. I know, man. What am I gonna do? I can't do anything. This is island life, you know what I mean, bro? Look at the ping on Bybit. It's even worse. Plus, I have to go through. I had to change the chat bot here because I have to go through. I have to be logged in with the VPN too. For Bybit, so is what it is, I guess. You know what I mean? It's just like fuck, you know. Not the best. At my house, it's not. I don't have to use a VPN, and like once I'm in my office, because I have good internet and that doesn't block anything, right? But I'm sure the MS is still going to be kind of bad. It's not going to be like 20 or whatever. So these guys coming down and holding. So probably new highs, probably taking this out. Where's the 15? Probably taking the 15. Why didn't I keep a runner long, man? This is not very nice over here. This is next. Or that. Maybe even the liquidity above here. You kind of have to be on the 1 minute though when we're in market conditions like this, because it's like the stops are fucking huge, man. They're massive. Even on this 1 minute play down here, the stop was like 39 to, I had to put the stop here to 30. It's just 10 point stop, just the order block. 20 point stop to the bottom. Yeah, it's crazy. When it's volatile like that, the only way to do it is on the 1 minute, really, or else you'll never get a trade. But like, look at the price action on the 1 minute. It played perfectly, man. Gain, pump here, retest, pump, came back, take the liquidity and tested the bottom of this, pump again, held, you know what I mean? Like perfect. Pump and then held the swing. Now taking the liquidity here. Yeah, it makes for some quick trades for sure. You got to be on the ball. That's why I didn't do well today. Because I'm not, you know, I'm using brand new software that I'm not used to using. So I was a bit fumbling around with the trades and stuff, you know what I mean, when I'm getting in and getting out of positions. Shrimp? Yeah, I like it. I like it too, Nulls. But the problem is, do you use AMP? Maybe you can help me, because my problem with this is you can't see the whole chart. So like, put this on hourly. Yeah, you use AMP. So how do you get the whole chart? AMP 1 year, or a 4 hour, and I want to see 1 year of data. I mean, it only goes to here. Is that like what it is for you too, or what? It's showing just when the contract started, it looks like. I don't know. All the charts are like that. It's like that for you too? Well, that's stupid, man. Like, that's ridiculous, because we're on a massive dump here. We're coming down, and I'm having to flip over to trading view like this to find out the level where we're gonna stop. You know what I mean? Like, I had this level pegged, and then I have to be like, okay, 118. All right, go back. All right, 118. Yeah, where's the continuous chart? How do you get that? You know, where is it? I want to see the continuous chart for sure. Like, it's not MES, it's MES one bang on the normal, on the trading view, but not here, not. So if I just put MES, it should be the first contract. Well, I typed MES in futures, MES. This is the first contract, right? It's not, is it calendar spreads? Is it this? like, this is it. Even if I just scroll down and go to the futures and go to MES, you know, this is the first one that's here. I don't get it. I don't know what this shit is. This is options, not even futures. MES. Jesus. This is the first contract. A little bit of a failure here. Maybe we can get a trade in. 214. Not bad. I'm gonna smash in right now. I'm gonna smash in 2 right now. Hopefully I don't regret it. Really just gonna try to get one just right here. I should try a bit lower. Oh, this is 2. No. Can you adjust that? I guess I can just put like a limit buy here. CQG, yeah, just the regular stuff. It just came with AMP, whatever comes with AMP. I believe it's CQG. It's just the futures. I have like all the futures data. All right. I'm just gonna dump this right here, right now, and take my $50. Nice little scalp, another scalp. Might as well just continue to scalp all day. Maybe that's it. No, I never tried on the daily. Oh yeah, that is it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. See? You solve problems, bud. Rock that spicy. Thank you, good sir. I appreciate you. All right, are we in a winning day today yet? $30. Let's go. Man, did you see the first week and a half of this stream, or of this challenge? Like, we are fucking killing it, man. 68% win rate, a cumulative return of 181%. Let's go. $1,200 return in about a week and a half. I'm gonna have to figure out how to upload the stuff from this now over. It's gonna be pretty funny growing $500 to 100 grand. I've never done that before, you know. But honestly, I have pretty good faith that I can do it at this point. Top left. How about this update thing? I've clicked this 3 times already. I've downloaded the new version and it told me to shut it down. I need to look at it again. Portfolios. Backup manager, is that it? Good thing I got out of that trade. We have to look at this again now. Order history log. I'll have to look at that. Coming into an area here. Account performance. Today up and down a lot. Oh yeah, maybe this. Come on, man. Come on, guys. This is gonna be dope because like when I'm back in my office, all these windows, I can just have them everywhere. It's gonna be awesome, man. Because like I have like tons of real estate at my trading office. Yeah, I know there's a way. I think it says it in Trading View or in Trader Sync. I'll have to look. You just see this is the new thumbnail I got for the account challenge. Pretty sweet. Little AI generation for you. AI, they just made it real easy. You don't have to do anything anymore. All right, maybe we're getting into another trade here. Take out something here. Well, let's check on the 15 here for a second. 15 minute. So they did take the liquidity now. is where they want to dump it, right? If they start getting back underneath this, probably a good idea to take a trade. Just saying. What's the stop here? 55? It's just a fucking 15-point stop. This little thing is a 15-point stop. Come on, man. Yeah, really? Yeah, but the NQ, that's even worse, man. It's like, okay, cool. From here to here, it's like 100 points. You know what I mean? I cannot do the NQ. I'll take one here. Just one, man. I'm gonna be moving my stop up pretty fast too here. Really, like, almost already, you know? Come on, man. Good. We're just flattening this year. Boom. Another 30 bucks. Bank. Scalping today, man. So stupid, man, really. All I've been doing is just scalping all day. Really not the way I normally trade, man. I haven't scalped in like a year, but we haven't had a fucking, you know, a massive dump like that in a long time too, so that's why. Should have been a little more greedier with my profits, man. I don't, you know, Nalza, I would do it on NQ, but it's, I don't have the account size for it yet. Like the account's only at $2,000 or like 1,800 bucks. So I can't, you know, one couple bad moves and the whole account's gone. Yeah, the VIX was like almost like COVID, yeah. I think this was COVID. Highest level since COVID. I'm sure we're gonna get back to normal now and come back here. I didn't even want to look at my long-term portfolio. You know what I mean? Oh God, look at it. Oh no. Oh God. A lot of these don't have stops. Not too bad. Some are down like 7-10%. Not too bad. Better I don't look at the old stock portfolio today, I think. We'll just keep that on the old back burner. Go in there in a couple days and just clean up the mess, you know. Go in there in a couple days and see what we want to average down on. Yeah, fucking funny. Okay, Euro's presenting a sell signal. It's so stupid. I have to jump back and forth here. What's the Dixie doing? Dixie gained. So I was watching this level too. I had this marked, and I said if they come up here and they come back and test this, it's gonna be a good spot for them to bounce it, because this is a weekly. So like if they created a swing here, they gained it. Now, if they come back down and test this is gonna be a pretty good spot to be taking longs, I think, man. Or shorts here. What's the stop worth? You know, that's the question. What's a stop worth here? Oh my God. I guess I have to do that in Quantower. What's the stop worth? Can I make a trade? Oh yeah, I have to use it on this specific chart. Fuck, it's gonna take me a little while to get used to this shit, boys. Okay, can I not make a trade here? Okay, I see. I have to move it. Okay, no worries. They raised it. They raised it twice. At least that's the notification that I got. Okay. This is, how do you make it the other way, dude? You know? Really? Okay, man. I guess this will just be on the chart forever? No. Good. Regardless, I'm taking a trade here. I just wish I knew how much this was worth. That's the wrong thing. If I hold control, I can put more than one, right? 1, 2, 3. Can I do that? If I just put one stop, is it okay for all of them? Or is this just for one contract? Or is this for any position that I have? Wish you would tell me the dollar value. Look at this short. I should have stayed in, man. Well, we're gonna try it anyway. This is the long spot. Just spacing out here, not even paying attention. Could be taking 13 points home right now, right to my back pocket. You use the bracket orders, eh? I kind of like the whole mouse thing, you know. It makes it nice and quick and easy, you know. I can just click the mouse and boom, 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 and that's it. And then drag. I can make it a bracket order with this, right? Yeah, I can link all of them. I just want to have the stop. I'm pretty sure you can just have one stop. I guess we're gonna find out. If this doesn't retest, this area is gonna reject. If it doesn't retest here, then it's gonna go down, and then this area will be the next area. Points. We'll give her a try, yeah? 1. Give her a try. Try to get back up here, man. Give her a try with 2. Give her a try with 2. Oh yeah, and then you got to cancel that to make it again. Might be taking a stop home here. Just fucking pump it one time from Jay. Give her a nice pumper. Give it a fucking pump. Let's just take one off right here. Stop the profit. Well, see, now we have 2. No, that's not good. Yeah, we gotta get on the bracket order tip for sure. Might be getting stopped out on the rest of that. Bracket orders are they don't go, they're too cumbersome and they take too long to set up in times like these. Stopped in profit. It's okay, man. It's all right. How we doing? 87 bucks today. Not bad. I started the day out negative 120. Should have took a long there again. Are we gonna get filled on this fucking dirty slut? Or what? That sucks, man. They stomp me out and then they pump it? Come on, bro. Why you gotta do that to me? Not bad, guys. The building the small account challenge is well underway. This is a bit frustrating to see, though. At least I got 1 PT out of it. So they held here, yeah? Oh, it looks like they're going higher. Let's see what the next spot is. What are we talking, man? What are we talking about? Talking a bit higher? You want to talk a bit higher, huh? Not much left up here. Not too much left up here. It's either they're gonna fail this or they're gonna really start buying it back. Next thing up here is just this. Not too much. And since they came down and just held and gained, you know, they're probably going higher than this. And like, there's not much in here, right? So everything in here has been tested. I guess there's this, but you know, on 1 minute, I don't know, maybe. The next that is technically the next thing. That is technically the next thing. We should put it on the chart, right? We're really not gonna get filled here. Oh, NQ didn't hold though, huh? Yeah, they kind of did. No, they didn't. They did gain this though. This is kind of a good spot for them to fail it. So if they start failing, I probably consider taking a short here around this area, or like if they fail this swing. Let's have a look and see. They're failing this right now. See if they hold it. Yeah, it's a pretty good spot for them to fail, dudes. Holding for now. Our Bitcoin short, we did take massive profits, right? So we're like 60% out of the short on all, and we got stopped out in profits on all the longs. Not all, but overall, out of all the longs, we were in profit. But a couple from yesterday we took full stops on because there was a couple alts in really good weekly gain positions, so we just took trades, but ended up taking full stops on them. Nothing too crazy, a couple $100. How's the stream looking, guys? Like, is this chat thing okay? Let me just have a look at this real quick. It looks okay. Just raise that up just a bit. Sorry about that. I think it looks okay. This is much nicer because it's like it's all done online, so like how wide is this? What are we talking here? 29? Fuck, man. Like, everything's a 10-point stop, man. Everything is a 10-point stop. Everything. Doesn't matter. It's a 10-point stop at least. Should have took that short. So this is looking a bit rough now. Little bit rough. Looks like the the little buyback might be over here, coming to an end. Yeah, this was fun while it lasted, right? But I think we're headed back down here to lower lows. Big dump on the NQ. It's a shame we didn't get filled here. Can I modify this? Modify. Yeah, you can put in the brackets. Modify. Oh yeah, I guess you can. And then can I just modify this to make it 3? No, cannot. I guess you could. I don't know, still this looks pretty shifty now at this point. Bit shifty. We're gonna do 2. So can I modify this to just 1 lot? I can. But it doesn't make it doesn't make them bracket anymore. I see. Come on, you cocksuckers. Stop dicking around. We're just gonna push one right here. Cancel this. Move the stop up. Stops in profit. Move it into profit. And then we'll move our PT. Can I just do this? Yeah. Okay, just put this here. And then limit, I want it far down. Should we do it like a runner or what? What do you guys think, man? This doesn't look very promising, right? Honestly, this buyback doesn't look very good. I'm just gonna put it at the lows. See what happens. Probably a stop out coming, but hey, we'll take it. We'll take what we can get, man. Or I could just can this right now and just be done for the day with another $57 in my pocket. But let's try to get a big win here, you know. This is done, you know. Just need to dump that and then reject that and then see what happens here. This is a big liquidity zone here. This is really where I should put the target if I wasn't so fucking greedy. Just gonna even move it up a little bit more. We get stopped out. It's okay. It's okay, man. I think we're gonna flatten this here, man, and just take it. Another $100. Just be done with it, you know. $120. Let's go. Boom. Okay, boys. Glad I stuck around today. Account performance. It's pretty cool. Not bad. $200 today. Woo! Profit 245. Trade count 18. $477 in the win column, 231 in the lose column. Fuck, this software is nice, man. This is way nicer than TradingView. TradingView sucks. How about these fucking assholes not filling me, eh? Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. I'm probably gonna remove those orders, I think. I like the one touch flatten too. That's pretty sweet. Don't have to worry about it, you know? It's nice. I do like that. So they do look like they're turning this around. I think I'm just gonna be done for the day. I do have to work on the video for the trade challenge, and I have to figure out how to do that. I still want to figure this out a little bit more, you know, the software. I'm not super comfortable with it yet, you know. Should we take one more continuation down on the yes? Should we? Just one more right here. Just the stop is so big, man. You know, I cannot. Just be happy with my $250, man. It's fine. I live in Southeast Asia, dude. Even making $250 a day is like that's tons here. Especially growing the small account. So if I make $100 a day, $100 times 300, about, yeah, I could probably have around 30 grand by the end of the year, around, give or take. But I'm gonna scale it too, so I'll probably have more. well, I think that's going to be about it for me. It's been a slice. Thank you guys for stopping in. I appreciate you guys. Keep your eye on the YouTube channel. I'll try to put out the first video in the series for the 500 to 100,000 series. I got a partnership with TraderSync now, so it's they're gonna help out with the video. Yeah, it's been good. It was a good day, man. Again, that's like three back-to-back good days. It's like really good days. We're making over like $200 or $400 or $300 or whatever. That's pretty huge when you're only starting with a $500 account. You know what I mean? So you missed the ES long. I took it. I've been just scalping the whole day. Look at this price action, Jay, on the 1 minute. Came down, gained the 1 minute, retests, took liquidity, came down, took liquidity, pumped it, came down, held, pumped it, dumped it, held. You know what I mean? It's pretty good, man. And then that level that I had laid out, 118, that played too on the 1 minute, or on the ES. Yeah. It looks like they're kind of falling apart now though, so I'm just gonna get out. You know, I made like $250 or $300 today. It's fine. It's fine for a small account. You know, for me, not too bad. I can't really complain. When you're just trying to grow a $500 account to fucking 100 grand, you know, if you're making $300 to $500 a day, you're doing all right, man. In my books, anyway. I think they're gonna dump this though. I think we're gonna see new lows again. I do not think this is over. Yeah, I'm planning on opening a funding account. What I wanted to do was build my personal account up to 5 grand, and then I can just copy trade from a 50 grand to a 5 grand account, and it'll be like the same, you know what I mean? Except for the different, you know, different contracts, but for like I can trade the minis on the 50, and on the 5 grand I can just trade the micros still, and then I can just trade them both, because I think you can do copy trading through this. Yeah, you can do it through Amped. I know. I wanted to bring this to your attention too. I haven't set up an affiliate link with them yet, but these guys seem pretty good too. Fast Track Trading, it was called. Let me just see here. Fast Track Fun. Yeah, these guys. You know, the one thing that I didn't like about having a funded account is fucking rules, right? Like there's all these fucking rules that you gotta adhere to. These guys, they cost a little bit more, but there's no evaluation period at all. They cost, for the small account, they cost $179, so it's still not too bad for a small account. And there's literally no evaluation period. You go right into trading right away. The only rule that they have, you can trade news, you can trade whatever, you can do whatever you want. You just have to have your trades closed by the end of the day, and you have to you can't lose more than 5% of the account. That's it. Those are the only rules. So it's pretty good, man. Like I know I know Apex is like, Apex having a problem right now. There's a whole bunch of like withdrawal problems. They didn't let people like cost average down or something like that. I don't know exactly what the deal was, but it's you know, that would just be a nightmare, I think, if you you know, you spend all this time learning how to trade, and then like you finally in a position where you're doing well, and like, you know, you go ask for a withdrawal, and you know they just deny you. Like imagine they had 10 grand of your money, and then they're like, no, sorry, we're not giving it to you because you dollar cost averaged down on one of your position one time. I'd be like, fuck off. What are you talking about, man? I just made you guys a whole bunch of money, you know, and now you're just not gonna pay me out. You know, I'd be super pissed. So I'd rather not do that. Like I probably will not use Apex because I've heard. Yeah, exactly. Like, you're with Apex, yeah? These guys had some rules like that too. I think they all do, right? Because they don't want to get hammered and go bankrupt. What were these guys? Payout withdrawals. So the max drawdown is like, you know, $2,000, about just over $2,000, 5%. So this one 5-day period is $1,000. And you can get $1,000 within your first 5 days, and then after that it's 10 days. So a 10-day period, $1,000. That's on the small account. On the 50 grand account, it's $1,250. Oh, sorry. These are the max withdrawal is $1,500. But they are a lot more yeah, good. I'm glad that it's worked out for you. Like I'm sure it would work out for me too. Like I did get payouts from Top Step, but I ended up just losing the account because I can't remember what I did. I did some stupid mistake, and it was like, I was so mad because I was like, I'm not going through a fucking evaluation period again. You know what I mean? Like I was like, how silly is that? I like the idea of these guys too, because they pay out in crypto if you want, so they can just send you USDT, and like where I live there's crypto banks, so I can easily just change that into money and right at the bank. See, crypto 1 to 2 business days, so that's pretty sweet. Yeah, I think I will. It's just I need to wait, and I need to see if these guys can do copy trading or not through Quantire. They said they can. See, they have Quantire here. So if they have Quantire, then you should be able to copy trade it. So I just need to ask them some questions first, because I'll just do it right on. I'll do it right on here, and we'll just take, you know, I can trade as many accounts as I want, I guess. I really want to keep it to, so like the 500 to 100,000 challenge, right? So like any money that I'm using for you know, for a prop firm, I'm going to be taking it out of the account. Same with any money. I'm gonna open up a specific. I haven't funded the Bitcoin account yet, but I'm gonna open a specific account just for that, and I'm gonna take it out of the $500. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty sick, man. Check out this yeah, this is the YouTube thumbnail that I got coming up. Pretty sweet, yeah. This will be coming out this week sometime on YouTube. It's gonna be a whole series every week, once a week. Thanks for that YouTube sub, Rohan. Yeah, that was done with AI. It's just so much easier. I did the rest of my thumbnails just by hand, and then I just was like, I should just get AI to do this shit. And yeah, it worked better. Cool. Well, I think that's gonna be all for today. Not bad. We're ending the day here with plus $240. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good considering a week ago we had 500 total. I don't know what the win rates and stuff are today. I'll have to put it into TraderSync. Cool. Thank you guys all for stopping in, man. I appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Keep an eye on the YouTube channel for the breakdown of the trades. Cheers, guys.